Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Sincro Scoop, your monthly look at all of those important news articles and pieces of information through automotive digital marketing. I'm this month's host, Colleen Harris. My day job is a senior product manager for business intelligence here at Sincro. My alter ego is being the Google Whisperer, navigating all things Google, and I'm here with all of your scoop for the month of August. First off, in case you've been living under that rock, remember, Facebook Marketplace goes away September 13th. This is what Facebook announced a couple of months ago, where they talked about how they're moving away from Marketplace and switching a lot more to those automotive inventory ads, or AIA. After September 13th, you will still be able to upload vehicles to Marketplace, but you will have to be doing those manually. And that's going to mean you're also going to have somebody managing taking down those vehicles manually. It's a doable process, but does involve that time investment at the dealership. If not, you're going to have to really, like I said, switch over to those automotive inventory ads and target the feeds that way. Be sure to check out the Sincro blog for more information on that. Second, we're going to take a look at Labor Day. Now, I know people say it every time we hit a holiday. We've never seen something like this before. But after the pandemic and everything else, the changes we're seeing in automotive are something we've never seen before. Inventory is something we're all struggling with. Those cars are getting sold before they even get to the lot. The customer demand is at an all-time high as well, as more and more people are getting out and about and going back to their day-to-day activity. For dealers, this is going to mean getting creative and really working with the customers about what they're looking for, their needs around it, and what you might be able to offer instead. Those shoppers are going to be there doing the searching, and you need to be able to have options, even if it may not be the exact option that they started their search with. And finally, let's dive back into Google's Core Web Vitals. Now, if you follow along with the Sincro blog, you've seen I've talked about this a lot. And that's where we see these Core Web Vitals, or how fast a page is loading, how much a page changes, and everything around that. It's starting to see data live. Remember though, Core Web Vitals is still only looking back at data. It's not in real time. It doesn't do any of the processing that, like a search result, will come, and the algorithms that are looking at sites for ranking there. Also, when you look at all of the studies, there does not seem to be a large ranking impact people have seen so far. With Google, that's going to change every day, but for now, make sure that you're really just thinking about your overall site health, because that's what the root of Core Web Vitals is all about. You need to be making sure that your images are optimized. You need to be making sure all the code you have on your site is what it should be, and you're not running extraneous code. And finally, remember that Google Analytics is going to show you the load time and the speed of your site that actual users are seeing. And that's what's going to matter more than any test from Google or anything else. What is the load experience for your customers, and how are they really interacting with your site? As always, keep checking out the Sincro blog to make sure that you're getting all of those breaking news updates, the pieces that go with that. And we'll be back next month with another scoop.